welcome back to my channel and welcome to a huge Nykaa haul. When I say it's huge guys. Nykaa had their hot pink sale right now and I shopped quite a lot from there. Also I shopped quite a few things before the hot pink sale. उन्होंने notify नहीं करा था कि वो sale करने वाले हैं, वरना मैं obviously sale में खरीदती. But मैंने इनफैक्ट कुछ 2-3 दिन पहले ही Nykaa पे एक और ऑर्डर प्लेस करा था and I feel so bad about it, but anyway क्या कर सकते हैं. So this is definitely going to be a long video. So make sure you grab something to eat and without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Let's start with some skincare first. Dot & Key is a new skincare brand in India and it's all over the internet. I really wanted to try their products because everybody is raving about their products and how good they are. So I ordered quite a few things from there. First of all, let's appreciate the beautiful packaging. I'll just open it up and show you how cute the packaging is. See, this is how it looks. This is their hyaluronic serum concentrate. If you want to know anything about skincare, Shreya Jain has done a brilliant video on it. I'm going to link it in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. It will help you a lot with buying skincare. This has absolutely no chemicals involved. This has such a nice fragrance. Oh my god, they should make it a perfume. It smells so good. And the serum is not sticky at all. कुछ serums बहुत oily होते हैं, but ये बहुत अच्छे से absorb हो जाता है. And when you wake up in the morning, it gives you such a nice glow on your face. I use this and then I use it with this water sleeping mask. I was using the Laneige water sleeping mask इससे पहले, but I think this is a little bit better than that. This has a very cooling effect on your face and especially जब रात का स्किन केयर जब हम करते हैं तो you need something that calms you down and I think this is the perfect product that does that. I'll just show you its packaging. This is how it looks. It's gel based. मैं अब cream based कुछ भी यूज ही नहीं कर पाती फेस से जब से मैंने gel based products यूज करने लगे, क्योंकि cream based बहुत ज़्यादा sticky होते हैं and gel based बिल्कुल भी नहीं होते. So this is how it looks from the inside. And this has such a nice fragrance. If Dot & Key makes perfumes, if you're listening, I am the first person who's going to buy them. The day that I got it, I used it at night and when I woke up in the morning, I instantly felt that my face felt softer, my skin felt softer and there was a natural glow to it. So I really recommend you. If I have to recommend one product out of these two, I would recommend you to buy the water sleeping mask because it's amazing. I also ordered the AHA and BHA exfoliating serum, but मैं चाहती थी कि मैं पहले 2 weeks वो use करूँ and then I jump onto this chemical exfoliator because that is how you should proceed. If you're confused about what am I saying, please go watch Shreya Jain's video. It's going to help you out, trust me. I have to open this and show you how pretty this is. See. This smells like grapes. It's so nice and fruity. I love fruity smells. Then I ordered a bunch of things for my best friend's birthday as well. So I ordered the night serum for her because उसका खत्म हो गया था. So I wanted her to try this out. Then I got this free. This is a hand cream sanitizer plus moisturizer. I have not used it. ये अभी भी sealed ही है. But it looks interesting, so I'm really excited to try this out. I also ordered the vitamin C pink clay mask. ये भी मैंने अभी तक नहीं यूज करा है. In case you want to know a review about this, please make sure that you follow me on Instagram because I will definitely update you about how this works for my skin. मैंने इसके भी बहुत अच्छे reviews सुने थे, so I definitely wanted to try this out. Next up, I got Nykaa Skin Potion in the variant Radiant Beauty. It's a facial oil. I'm not very impressed. मतलब बहुत बेकार product नहीं है, but I'm not very impressed with this facial oil. I use Indulgeo's Rose Gold oil. That is amazing. But इसके बारे में मैं थोड़ी सी dicey हूँ. I think it's a little too oily. But I have normal skin and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये मेरी skin को कुछ ज़्यादा oily बनाता है, which I don't like. But it's not bad. If you have dry skin, I would recommend you to buy it. But if you have normal to oily skin, don't invest in this. अभी मैंने जितने भी products दिखाए ये मैंने hot pink sale से पहले लिए थे. So unfortunately, I have no discounts on these. But we'll get to the good deals now. The best deal on Nykaa was on the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. This palette is for I think 5,300 rupees or something. And I got it for 3,400 rupees. which was a steal. Huda Beauty पे if you know कभी भी डिस्काउंट नहीं होता है तो बिल्कुल ऐसे 100 रुपये कम कर देते हैं, जैसे बहुत एहसान कर रहे हो हमारे ऊपर, बट कभी भी डिस्काउंट नहीं होता. एंड आई डिड नॉट वॉन्ट टू मिस दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. लुक एट द ब्यूटिफुल पैकेजिंग. अंदर से you again have this play card and then look at the beautiful shades. रोज गोल्ड पैलेट है एंड एकदम ऐसे रोज गोल्ड ही शेड्स ही है. मैं इसको ऑलरेडी यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ तो हल्का सा मैसी हो गया है, बट बहुत 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 सुंदर शेड्स हैं. एंड जो इनकी ग्लिटर्स है ना एकदम वेलवेटी है. इफ यू जस्ट ग्लाइड योर हैंड लाइक दिस, मैंने बेयरली टच करा है. कुछ पैलेट्स होती है ना जिसमें स्वॉच करने का मन नहीं करता क्योंकि वो इतनी सुंदर होती है, यू डोंट वांट टू रूइन देम. दिस इज वन ऑफ देम. इट हैज सॉफ्ट ब्राउन्स, इट हैज दिस मलबरी शेड एंड इट हैज ब्यूटिफुल ग्लिटर्स. इफ यू आर समवन हु लव्स मेकअप, आई थिंक you should invest in this palette. It's beautiful. I also got one more palette. It's the Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced. First of all, it literally smells like peaches. I've seen so many videos of people buying this and everybody says that it smells like peaches and they are not kidding guys. ऐसे candy peaches जैसी smell है. Oh my god, this smells so good. And it has all these peachy shades. They are very pigmented. बहुत सॉफ्ट है बट बहुत अच्छे से पिगमेंटेड है. आई हैव डन माई आईज टुडे विद दिस पैलेट. If you're someone who likes soft looks, this is the perfect palette for you. Got this on a deal. This was I think for 4,500 rupees. But I got this Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. इनका छोटा travel pack है. This has been so talked about on the internet that it's amazing. I'm yet to try it, but I know it will be really nice. I got this. And I also got this lipstick and lip balm free. This is their peach lip balm. Oh my god, this also smells like peaches. And then I got this toy lipstick. Literally इतनी छोटी है, toy जैसे ही लग रही है. This is how the shade looks. It's really nice and warm. The next product that I got is this lip duo from Smashbox. I think maximum लोगों ने hot pink sale में ये ज़रूर खरीदा होगा. It was on such a good deal. You know Smashbox lipsticks are pretty expensive and this duo of 2 mini lipsticks was for 990 rupees. The first shade is Gulabe. And oh my god guys, मेरे को गुलाबी बहुत टाइम से बहुत सुंदर लगता है. You know when you want to buy such a ridiculously expensive lipstick, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ और खरीद लो इतना expensive. So you don't invest in this, but it's a decent size. See, this is Gulabe. It's such a beautiful soft pink nude सा shade. I know I'm going to wear it a lot. And the next was Boss. It's a beautiful red color. मुझे वो रेड्स पसंद है जो हल्के से मरून साइड पे होते हैं बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी स्किन टोन को काफ़ी ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ वन ऑफ देम. दिस इज़ रियली प्रिटी एंड इट्स वेरी लाइट ऑन द लिप्स एज वेल. मैं ये ऑलरेडी यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ एंड दैट इज़ व्हाई आई लव देयर फॉर्मूला. मैंने बॉट द हुडा ब्यूटी पैलेट. आई गॉट दिस लिपस्टिक फ्री. इट्स अ फुल साइज डेमी मैट लिपस्टिक. मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा कि इन्होंने फुल साइज लिपस्टिक्स फ्री में दिए हैं बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं होता यूजुअली. आई थिंक फ्री थिंग्स में कुछ भी उठा के दे देते हैं, बट दिस इज ब्यूटिफुल. सच अ नाइस वैसा ही पिंक न्यूड सा कलर. आई थिंक मैक्सिमम लोग ऐसा ही कलर प्रेफर करते हैं. दिस इन द शेड शिखा. आई थिंक आई रियली लाइक दिस. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई गॉट इज द मैक फिक्स प्लस. मुझे एक सेटिंग स्प्रे की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत थी, सो आई गॉट दिस. इफ यू डोंट नो, आई एम अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट एंड मैक का प्रेप एंड प्राइम इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सेटिंग स्प्रेज. इस पर आई थिंक कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं था, बट इसके साथ मुझे एक इतना छोटा सा प्रेप एंड प्राइम का सैम्पल टाइप मिला है. तो आई थिंक समथिंग इज बेटर देन नथिंग. नेक्स्ट अप आई गॉट द स्मैशबॉक्स प्राइमर वाटर. दिस इज देयर ट्रैवल साइज. आई वांटेड टू ट्राई इट पहले एंड देन बाय द फुल साइज and it's pretty expensive, so always try travel sizes and then see if the product works for you and then buy it. So I got the primer water. This is really good for oily skin. इसके साथ Smashbox ने मुझे बहुत सारे samples दिया and सब एकदम toys जैसे हैं. The first sample that I got is of the primer water itself. Just look at the size of the product. कितना इससे ज़्यादा छोटा आई थिंक हो नहीं सकता. कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. आई वॉज रॉन्ग. देन आई गॉट दिस स्मैशबॉक्स फोटो फिनिश प्राइमराइजर. इट्स अ प्राइमर प्लस मॉइस्चराइजर एंड इसका साइज देखना, मेरी लिटिल फिंगर से भी छोटा साइज है इसका. नेक्स्ट अप आई गॉट द फोटो फिनिश Smooth and Blur, this is the best primer out there. Everybody talks about how good this is. इसका तो एक ही ड्रॉप यूज होता है. एंड Too Faced ने भी बहुत एहसान करा है मेरे ऊपर. उन्होंने ये पाउच में प्राइमर दे दिया है मुझे. We never say no to free products. This is their hangover replenishing face primer. And it's infused with coconut water. I really want to try it and see how it works. And ये एक पाउच तो मैं किसी और के ऊपर ट्राई करने नहीं वाली, अपने ऊपर ही ट्राई करूंगी. The next product that I got is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I follow Malvika religiously and she said that this foundation is really nice, so I really wanted to try it. This is in the shade medium olive. It perfectly matches my skin tone. It's a matte foundation. If you have oily skin, this would be really good for you. I have tried it. It works well, but ये बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी ड्राई हो जाता है. जैसे हुडा ब्यूटी का फाउंडेशन होता है ना, वो थिक होता है और इमीडिएटली ड्राई हो जाता है. ये भी बहुत जल्दी ड्राई हो जाता है. So if you want to invest in this, just work it up really fast. And it's a full coverage foundation. If you're looking for something full coverage, definitely try this out. The next product that I got from Huda Beauty is their blushed nudes. ये सारे minis हैं उनके and all of them are such beautiful shades. It has Bombshell, Muse, Venus and Wifey. If you have to choose Venus. Let me swatch Venus for you. It's the perfect nude, I think. कुछ न्यूड्स होते हैं ना जो डार्क स्किन टोन्स को वॉश आउट कर देते हैं. I also have a dusky skin tone, but Venus looks great on me as well. This is Venus. The next product that I got is Sugar Stick Foundation. Now guys, मैं जितना भी बोलूँ इस फाउंडेशन के लिए उतना कम है. I think I have found the perfect foundation for my skin tone, for my skin type. It's a creamy foundation, and if you have a dry to normal skin type, please invest in this once. मेरा perfect shade है. If you're somewhere near my skin tone, I am in the shade 32 Cortado. So creamy, blends really well, looks like second skin. That is the foundation that I like. And ऐसे stick foundation है on one side. And then it has this brush on the other side to blend it. It comes in really handy and बहुत अच्छे से blend हो जाता है इस brush से भी. If you watched my Instagram makeup tutorials, you must have seen me using this a lot. The next product that I got is the Hoola Mini. मैं full size नहीं खरीदना चाहती थी because it's pretty expensive. Like I said earlier, I always like to try the smaller size first and see how it works. And जितना लोग बोलते हैं कि Hoola bronzer बहुत अच्छा है, ये genuinely उतना अच्छा है. It just warms your face. It also comes with a brush like this. ये brush भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है, works really well. And this is how the product looks. The next product that I got is the Body Shop Vitamin E Eye Cream. Now one of my friends suggested this. उसने actually में किसी के dark circles बहुत कम होते हुए देखे in 3 months when she used this cream. So I just had to try it. अभी मुझे dark circles का नहीं पता because I have not been using this for a very long time. But if you're looking for an under eye cream that's moisturizing, I would definitely recommend you to buy this. I also got myself this Ofra highlighter. Again, this is the Ofra Mini highlighter. It's in the shade Blissful. If you want to buy just one highlighter from Ofra, buy the Rodeo Drive. It's such a beautiful highlighter. So I wanted to try this as well. This has a pink undertone and ये एकदम blinding है. Chunky and blinding. Chunky बहुत गंदे तरीके से नहीं, but इसको आपको blend करने के लिए एफर्ट लेना पड़ेगा, वरना ये एक स्टार्क लाइन छोड़ देगा यहाँ पे, which is not cute. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. एकदम buttery soft है and it's worth every penny. If this gets finished, I'm definitely going to buy the full size. A very good product to invest in. The next product that I have are these lipsticks from L'Oreal's Rouge Signature collection. This was again in a lip duo. The first one is I Choose. It's a very nice soft pink sa shade. I think I'm really lured to soft shades right now. But ये हल्का सा Barbie pink जैसा है, एकदम nude pink नहीं है. This is how it looks. It's a very nice Barbie pink सा shade. The formulation of these lipsticks is very light. It does not dry your lips out and looks really pretty. It was a duo, so I obviously saved a lot of money on it. The next lipstick in the duo is I Am Worth It. This one is a red lipstick and ये proper red है. मतलब इट्स नॉट मरून एंड इट्स नॉट दिस ऑरेंजिश जो एक अंडरटोन होती है रेड में, ये नहीं है, ये प्रॉपर टोमेटो रेड लिपस्टिक है. Looks very nice, especially on fair to medium skin tones. For darker skin tones and duskier skin tones, I think maroon ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है मेरे को personally red से. Deep colors look prettier. I also got this free lipstick from Sugar. It's in the shade Peaches Pet and बहुत प्यारा सा brown सा shade है. It's this very pretty peach brown shade. It's a creamy matte, does not dry your lips at all. बहुत जल्दी wash out भी नहीं होती है lips से. So I really like this lipstick. Sugar के products काफी ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. I have a lot of lipsticks from Sugar, and this bullet lipstick is also really nice. The next product that I have is the Strobe and Glow liquid highlighter from Nykaa. It can be used as a strobe cream as well, and it can be used as a highlighter as well. It's in the shade Glazed Bronze. Just use it before applying your foundation on your highest points, and it gives you a very nice flushed highlighted kind of a look, and it looks जैसे आप अंदर से glow कर रहे हो. It's very soft and natural looking. MAC की जो strobe cream है, it's pretty expensive, and this actually does the same job. So if you want something under your makeup especially, try this. I think cream products बहुत ज़्यादा seamless होते हैं and बहुत natural finish देते हैं, and ये definitely वही करता है. The next product that I have is L'Oreal's Flash Cat Eye Eyeliner. It's a pen eyeliner. Usually pen eyeliners अब मैं लेना बिल्कुल बंद कर चुकी हूँ क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाते हैं, and if their cap is left open even for 2 minutes, ये बिल्कुल ड्राई हो जाते हैं and बिल्कुल वर्क नहीं करते. But now I do these intricate eye looks, and उसमें I wanted a pen eyeliner क्योंकि उसका जो टिप होता है वो काफ़ी sturdy होता है. So I searched and searched, and I finally decided to buy this. It's really jet black. ये सिर्फ एक स्वाइप है and ये एकदम jet black है. It's absolutely matte. मेरे को shiny eyeliners बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छे लगते and instantly dry हो जाता है. If you're a beginner and you want to try a nice cat eye, definitely invest in this eyeliner. बहुत enjoy करोगे, वरना liquid eyeliner से तो बहुत खराब हो जाता है maximum लोगों का. Also on the cover right here, they have this triangle जिससे आपको विंग बनाने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प होएगी. They've given kind of a stencil जिससे आप आराम से cat eye बना सकते हो. So I think that's really nice and very useful for beginners. Next up, I got this white pencil from Forever 52. Forever 52 has really nice products. See, it just glides on your skin. This pencil is very creamy and काफी pigmented white है. मेरे को सारी white pencils नहीं अच्छी लगती, बहुत ज़्यादा work करना पड़ता है उनके साथ. बहुत creamy, soft सी है and बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है. Next up, I have a lot of eye pencils to show you. Color bar के eye pencils काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं, बहुत लोग तारीफ करते हैं इसकी, and बहुत सारे shades हैं इनके पास. मेरे को different colors के eye pencils बहुत अच्छी लगती है to experiment with. So I decided to get a couple of them. The first one that I got is in the shade Sexy Silhouette 009. It's a pink eye pencil. This is how it looks. Nice, creamy and hot pink सा color है. Next eye pencil that I have is the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner. इसमें इतने pretty shades है. एक बहुत सुंदर purple है जो मेरे को नहीं मिल पाया because it was out of stock. But this is also a very nice yellow. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. It's a beautiful yellow shade. Yellow shades इतने ज़्यादा pop करते हैं and इतने pretty लगते हैं. Just look at this, it looks beautiful. ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा creamy है. It stays on your lids. कुछ पेंसिल्स होती है जो यहाँ ऊपर लग जाती हैं लिड पे, बट ये बिल्कुल भी ऐसी नहीं है. इनमें से कोई भी ऐसी नहीं है for that matter. I've also heard a lot of good things about Nykaa's Glamour Eyes. You can also use them as an eyeshadow and बहुत प्यार से blend हो जाती हैं ये. So I got these really pretty shades in this. I got this very pretty blue shade. It's very nice and bright and different, just different. And I also got this green color. See, so pretty and pigmented. This blue color is really different. I also got one more pen eyeliner. It's Nykaa's Get Inked eyeliner. ये अभी मैंने नहीं यूज करा तो मैं exactly reviews नहीं दे सकती इसके बारे में, but हल्का सा watery है, but when it dries down सही लगता है. बट अभी now that I've used it, it's a little watery. but the fan is off and I'm literally sweating right now, so maybe उस वजह से. I'm definitely going to review it and put it on my Insta stories, so make sure you follow me there. The next product that I have is the Farsali Daydream. It's actually a gift pack जिसमें इनके 3 products हैं. I have Farsali's Unicorn Essence, their Skin Tune Blur, which is extremely famous now, everybody is using it, and their Volcanic Elixir, which is actually a beauty oil. So ये सारे इन्होंने एक पैकेज में दे दिए थे in the hot pink sale, and ये literally toy size है. That's the size that you get. But their full size bottle is pretty expensive. I think it's for 5,000 rupees. That's just too much. So I'm happy with these toy products only. I have used this once and this is absolutely beautiful. एकदम blur हो जाते हैं आपके pores and एकदम इतनी ज़्यादा soft and smooth skin हो जाती है to put your foundation on. This works really well. अभी मैंने ये बाकी दोनों नहीं try करे हैं, so I cannot talk about them. But this works really well. So finally, this is the end of the huge haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you've used any of these products before, tell me how it worked for you and how you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any upload. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.